In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the signature Cosmopolitan. I first learned about the Cosmo by watching one of my favorite shows called, y'all already know, Sex and the City. Every time the show featured the Cosmopolitan, I just thought to myself, oh my god, that is such a classy looking drink.
Even at 16, 15 years old, y'all.
Like, that is such a classy looking drink. Matter of fact, as soon as I turn 21, that's gonna be one of my first drinks I try. And I have not stopped drinking the Cosmo since. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Dad wanna fuck me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Niggas laced up, I really hate love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff, only need it from you. Yeah, crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex.
If you all do not like pure cranberry juice because of its bitterness, I would not suggest you to use this brand. You can use the Ocean Spray brand instead.
Happy hour will never be the same anymore. Talk about saving money because you're DIYing it? Come on.